Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend, and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. Wanted to do a quick technical and fundamental overview. I think we'll have quite a bullish start of the week next week, so we'll talk about that. I'll give you my reasoning, of course, for that, but in general, I'll just try to give you as much of an overview of Ethereum, at least in my opinion, of course, as always. But yeah, before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. But also trade results, everything is open, everything is transparent. The only trading signal group that does that, at least to my knowledge. But now onto Ethereum. So the situation right now is that we're just kind of stuck into some sort of a consolidation. You can see also that the ADX, this indicator below here, is right now at levels that we haven't seen in a while. We're just kind of consolidating, and everything is pointing towards that. Right now we also have this resistance level between 1920 and 1940. That's our main resistance. It's strong. It's supported by different indicators. But on the other hand, we also have some major support levels, like around 1880, 1860. There's this level which I have not really marked on the chart, but I think it's clearly visible. And then you have this major support level around 1840 and 1820, which is of course, most of you still know that from March. So right now, as most of you know, it's weekend, so then volume dies down, volatility dies down as well. So for today specifically, I do not expect that much movement. Perhaps because we are at resistance right now, perhaps we'll just get down towards the lower boundaries of the consolidation. But for example, I do not think we'll drop down all the way to 1840, 1820. I think we'll just drop down to 1860. Perhaps we'll spike down a bit more to this trend line. But I think that's, I really do not expect that much volatility. Now, usually the volatility starts to pick up around Sunday and Monday. So then the big question is will that be bullish momentum or bearish? Because right now, technically, we are 100% neutral, I would say. I mean, if you zoom out enough, we're bullish, and if you zoom in enough, we're bearish, but still... I think most of you will agree with me that on the very short term, I think this is more of a neutral kind of market structure. But next week, what we do have is the Federal Reserve interest rate decision on Wednesday. Now, what we expect right now is that it goes up by 0.25%, but most people also do expect that some sort of a hike pause will be discussed here. So a hike pause is bullish for crypto. So that's why, and that has to do with a phenomenon that we have seen quite often in the last couple of months, or last couple of weeks, I should say, is that right now, where we used to react to the outcome of inflation rates and interest rate decisions, but now what you tend to see is that we react before it happens. We have some sort of an expectation, so now we have a bullish expectation of the interest rate decision, and we make that move earlier. So that's why I expect for early next week, so that's could even be tomorrow evening, so Sunday evening, but I expect us to have some sort of a bullish breakout above 1940, 1920, and up towards 2020. Now, we'll talk about this a little bit more tomorrow as well. Then we'll have a bit more information and price action from the weekend, because who knows what can happen with crypto. After last week, everything is possible. But yeah, for me right now, this would be the most likely scenario for next week to play out. And until then, I think we'll just stay neutral and consolidate it. But yeah, as I said, I'll monitor it closely. I'll update you on it, of course. But for now, this is my take on Ethereum. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.